A very good morning class. Today we are going to talk about the division of labor. Why is division of labor very important for any organization, be it a manufacturing organization or other sets of organization? Why is division of labor so very important? This we will understand from this video. See, by division of labor we mean the specialization of labor in a particular set of works. When we say the labors are to be divided, that means a particular experience, a particular expertise is to be gained in a particular set of work. Every manufacturing organization deals with a particular set of work. Okay, so those set of works are confined to particular fulfillment of needs. So division of labor talks about your experiences, your knowledge, your skills, your efficiency in a particular group of work, in a particular set of organization. So what do you mean by division of labor? By division of labor we mean specialization of knowledge into a particular field. A specialization of knowledge into a particular field. Now division of labor is further sub-categorized into three parts. One is simple, the other is complex, and the third is geographical. It has other names even. Simple division of labor is even known as product-based division of labor or occupational division of labor. Now what is product-based division of labor? We'll see one by one. The first is simple occupational or product-based division of labor. Talks about the division of labor on the basis of occupation each one occupies. Each one is given. Means whatever occupation I hold, I must be a master in that. I must be master of my own product. Okay, so that is called product-based division of labor. When a person is master, when a person has expertise over a set of particular product, then he is called a product-based division of labor, or he is a part of occupational labor. Like for example, a teacher has to be a teacher is one who has the knowledge about his subject. If economics teacher I am, my duty is to have expertise over the economics concept. So that is, economics is a product over here, and I am the person who has mastery, who has experience, who has expertise over this subject. So I will be called as simple, occupational, or a product-based division of labor in economics. Okay, it talks about the knowledge that you possess in a particular field, in a particular set of field. Second is complex or the process-based division of labor. Complex or process-based division of labor, which talks about that there are sub-processes that one has to understand. So when we give the heading teacher, so does the teacher mean that he knows everything, anything and everything? As an economics faculty over here, I don't know, I don't have much knowledge about the political science. That's the branch of civics. So I don't have the knowledge about that. I don't have the knowledge of environment. That's again a branch of environment is geography. I don't have the knowledge of Sanskrit. I don't have the knowledge of Pali language. I don't have the knowledge of Spanish language. Means my expertise is concerned to my product. That is why I am called as product-based division of labor, or you can call it occupational division of labor. Okay. But whereas the process of division of labor talks about the sub-processes or sub-categorization into a particular set of work. For example, as a doctor, when we say doctor, doctor is one who treats the patients or who takes care of the health of the other persons. Now there are further subdivisions of the doctors. That is, a doctor may be specialized in an eye, may be specialized in cardiac, may be specialized in a heart, may be specialized for a neuro. So there are different sets of doctors who are involved into different parts of the body. Their specializations are called process-based division of labor. And third is geographical division of labor. The geographical division of labor is concerned with or confined with the geographical boundary of a particular country. Not every country is blessed with agri production. We cannot produce anything and everything that we require. We have to depend on the other regions or other countries. Internationally, like for example, the coffee production, Brazil is the leading coffee producer in the world. So if there are more demands of coffee in India, we have to import those coffees from Brazil. So that's the geographical division of labor. Okay, means the labor are geographically divided, geographically confined to their particular skills, and they are working under particular organizations. Now, Simple occupational product division of labor told you. Second is complex pair division of labor. Whereas in a complex based or a complex process, we see that the division of labor is further subcategorized into complete and incomplete division of labor. Complete division of labor is one who begins his work and finishes until it doesn't finish. He is the one who is responsible. Means if I start a class, it might be easy to carry it till 45 minutes gets over. So I am a complete division of labor. Incomplete is one. When we matches with the whole timing of the school, it's not that the one person is only confined for the whole class or whole school time. There are divisions on the basis of expertise of knowledge, on the basis of subjects. So incomplete is that wherein a person fulfills his duty but the other persons have not fulfilled. That is why it is called incomplete. Complete is one where one person fulfills but he has to remain till the work gets over. This is further subcategorized into vertical and horizontal basis of division of labor. Now, vertical and horizontal basis of division of labor talks about wherein a chain of work is divided into different sets. And the vertical shape is this way. If we draw a line from left to right, this is horizontal. When we draw a line from top to bottom, this is vertical. When we draw a line from left to right, this is horizontal. When we draw a line from top to bottom, this is vertical. So the industries are further subcategorized into different units or different works. First we'll see what is horizontal division of labor. Horizontal division of labor talks about wherein a labor who starts a work and until and unless his group finishes the work, he is not supposed to be a complete man, he is not supposed to move out of the work. For example, in a manufacturing unit, the production takes place. This is the first stage that the raw materials will be availed, where with the help of which the production will take place. After that, branding will be there. Means a brand name has to be fixed in. Okay, labeling has to be done. The third is packaging is required. A good attractive packaging is required. The fourth stage says marketing has to be done, or the promotion or the advertisement of the product has to be done. And the fifth one talks about selling it to the confined customer or to the esteemed customer who are going to purchase it. So all these steps from production to branding to packaging to marketing to reaching to the final seller, final user is what the steps that every operation follows. So the person who sits in a production line, he is incomplete when the branding, packaging, marketing, selling does not take place. Means he has to be in a confined manner, he has to be in a group manner unless and until the last person finishes off his work. So this state or this follow-up of work is called horizontal division of labor. Horizontal division of labor wherein a work started by A but is not over until and unless E completes it. A, B, C, D, E, this way we divide. So A is incomplete unless and until E does not finishes off his work. In case of vertical division of labor, each person is responsible for his own set of work and after that he or she can move out. That means if A has completed his work of production, he is free to move out. His work is over, he is supposed to move. But they are in a relation. They are in a relation means unless and until A does not complete, B will not start the work. The moment B completes the work, C will begin the work. So this is the lineup. There is a connectivity between A, B, C, D, E. Like in chemical reaction, we follow the concept of theorems, the concept of the chemical bonding that takes place over here. Unless and until it will not react to B, unless and until A is complete. So they are related to each other. This is vertical division of labor. So class, I put a stop over here. It's very important from the examination point of view. Last year there was a question on this. So this year we expect that there would be a question on this. So on the basis of it, that only, I will be sending you 5 questions of the board exams only from 2017 to 19 one I picked up. Okay, so all those 5 questions should be solved because you are going to have 2 days leave now. So it should be done by you all. Thank you class.